Hi there. Welcome to Orbital Adventures, where we break down science's biggest mysteries in quick 2-minute stories. Picture this: a fleet of invisible machines, smaller than a speck of dust, racing through your bloodstream to destroy cancer cells, or solar panels so advanced they could power entire cities more efficiently than ever. This isn't science fiction, it's nanotechnology, and it's already changing our world. So what's the secret? At the nanoscale, so tiny it's hard to imagine, materials behave in strange, magical ways. Gold, for example, can glow in rainbow colors. Carbon becomes a superhero, 200 times stronger than steel, yet incredibly light. And the possibilities? Endless. In medicine, nanobots could deliver drugs precisely where they're needed, saving lives. In technology, nanomaterials are making gadgets faster, smarter, and greener. Even the clothes you wear might soon clean themselves thanks to nanotech. But there's a flip side. These tiny wonders are so powerful, they could have unintended consequences on our health, the environment, even the way we live. That's why scientists are treading carefully, unlocking this potential step by step. Nanotechnology is proof that big ideas can come in the smallest packages. It's a story of innovation and wonder, one atom at a time. If this video made you think, hit subscribe for more amazing science content. At Orbital Adventures, we're also creating fun kids' books that inspire learning geography through storytelling. Scan the QR code now to explore and get your copy.